Assalamualaikum guys! Welcome to my vlog. And guys, let me show you what's inside this resort. Welcome to M&M Pine Resort. Dito lang yan sa Zamboanga guys ha. Exactly sa Cabaluay. So, this is their amenities and accommodations and entrance fee and the do's and don'ts. Of course, this is Muslim friendly. Muslim po ang may-ari ng M&M Resort. Ayan, no firearms allowed. Okay, once again guys, welcome to M&M Resort. The beautiful and cozy place. Actually, hindi ako nakasama dito guys. Husband ko lang ang nag-video na ito for the content daw. Okay, pasok na tayo guys. So, such a beautiful place to hang out with your friends and families. Ayan, napaka-aesthetic po ang design ng resort na ito. Ayan. Ideal for gatherings, birthday parties, and other occasions. Like weddings, baptismal party, and birthday parties. And we will see what else they have in this resort. I think
Malaki.
may function hall dito kasi napakalaki na guys. May function hall siguro to. Okay, ayan. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, they have tennis court, gazebos. Ayan, may function hall talaga siya. Canteen and cabanas. So, everybody will enjoy. So, those who are not fond of swimming, they can have the tennis court para mag-tennis or badminton. O yan, M&M Pines Resort and Country Club. Cabaluay, Zamboanga City. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda mag-sunbathing dito. Charot. Ayan ang gazebo nila, guys. Wow, yung pool nila. Merong shades. So, hindi ka mangingitim ng masyado. Ang galing. Kasi yung iba talaga, yung pool is direct sunlight. Ito ang ganda oh. Meron silang shades. So, tapos ang daming punong kahoy. So, for sure, hindi to masyadong mainit. Kasi syempre, ma-absorb ng mga plants and trees and sunlight. Okay, let's move around guys. And tingnan natin kung ano pa ang meron dito sa resort. So, may mga playground para sa mga kids. And may garden ata sila guys. So, ayun, ang tennis court. I can see the tennis court guys. I see, nagtatanim sila ng pines. Ayun, may nakita akong pines. Ayan. Siguro sa mga may-ari to, mga motorbike. Ayan. So, hindi pa siya tapos. Meron silang tinatanim na pines. Ayun, ang tennis court. Malaki, guys. Malaki ang place na ito. Kaya naman pala mahal ang entrance fee nila. Nasa 170 for adults and free for kids below, I think, 3 years old. Free na siya. Ayan. So, ano pa kaya to? Parang may sila, mini bridge. Ayan. So nasa harapan is ang pool. Ayan, ang ganda. Wow! Maganda mag-relax dito. Kasi hindi masyado ito maingay. Ayan guys, enjoy the rest of the view. For inquiry, nandyan lang ang pangalan nila, M&M Pines Resort. So, for sure, meron silang contact page. And just look for the page of this resort. Siyempre, pag ganito, kailangan din maganda yung mga landscaping nila kasi attraction din yan sa mga clients. Pag maganda yung landscaping, kasi trend ang mga Instagrammable post ngayon, kaya dapat lang maganda ang ambience. Siyempre, maraming magsiselfie niyan and post it anywhere. Reels pa, diba? And of course, vlogging. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.